6 months ago, there a person just walked into my cabin saying that I have a vision. I just want to take this vision forward. Then I said, why? The answer was, this is the root cause of all the problems. And if I could be a reason to be a cause, to be a real catalyst to see that whether I could remove this problem a little, that's the only hope I see through this. And that was none other than Raghuram Anantoj. అసలు తను ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను మీట్ అయినప్పుడు నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో ఇంత పెద్ద విజన్ పెట్టుకోవడం అన్నదే నాకు ఆశ్చర్యం వేసింది. అసలు రీడింగ్ అన్నది ఏదో మేము ఒక చిన్న వర్క్షాప్ కండక్ట్ చేయడము, ఒక గెస్ట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీని పిలుచుకొచ్చి ఒక సెషన్ ఇప్పించడము అంతవరకే విజన్ ఉండింది. కానీ దీన్ని ఒక పెద్ద సంకల్పంగా తీసుకొని దాన్ని నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో ప్రమోట్ చేయాలన్న ఆలోచన నాకు చాలా ఆశ్చర్యం అనిపించింది. అండ్ దట్ టు going to all the schools, colleges personally and convincing the principals, teachers, saying that ఇది ఒక ఉద్యమం లాగా మనం నడిపించాలి అనడం నాకు నిజంగా even in imagination I just can't do it myself. So today we are seeing a beautiful celebration of all these things, a joy of sharing our ideas, but all the kudos goes to this one man army, Raghuram sir. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ఇంత హెట్రోజీనియస్ గ్రూప్ చూడడము స్పెషల్గా నాకు మాత్రం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉందండి. ఫ్రమ్ రిమోట్ రూరల్ ప్లేసెస్ టు ద వెల్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ స్కూల్స్, a diversity of students coming here and sharing their knowledge, experiences, ideas. It is something a great learning. It is a moment of real celebration to see that how the things are. And this is made possible by Raghuram today to be a part of this celebration and to really share this joy of celebrating this. And coming to the point of reading, I just have 3 experiences to share with you. One is being a faculty in an engineering college. Usually we do conduct soft skills training for the students, and 2 interesting things are group discussion and interview skills. So first question, where are you from? Answer, Nandyal. What is your course? CSC. Why did you choose this course? Communication breaks. Immediately the communication breaks after that. There is nothing for the speaker to speak. And taking part in the GD. So what is the advantage of having so and so? The advantage is to do, that's it. Communication breaks. There are many places where after one sentence, there is nothing for the speaker to speak. So when we really did a little bit of work in connecting the students to first read the materials, then speak, we have seen a tremendous change. We have just seen a tremendous change. Without reading, there is no collection of ideas. Without sharing or learning what the others felt about the topic, they never created their views and opinions. So reading is a must before we start building up our personalities. Character building happens only through reading books. That's one observation that we made. Observation 2, when the students join in the college, in the very first 3 months, first year, I handle only the first year students, taking care of them, helping them to settle down with the campus, moving from intermediate to an engineering program. So there is a lot of transition that happens with the students, new campus, new life, new friends and all that. So immediately there would be a handful of students coming to me, sharing their thoughts. Madam, ee college nachaledu. Second question, enduku? Friends leru. My answer, would you like to choose a real good friend in your life? Yes, madam. Pick up a book. The book could be a wonderful friend for you. Why always you look out for friend in the physical form? You just try. Pick up a wonderful book and see that how that book would really help you to take you forward in life. And the experiment worked. Students came back and they found friends. not because of reading book, but the impact of reading book helped them to build up the confidence to share their ideas with few others. That's how they built up the friendship. Otherwise, they didn't have anything to share with the friends. They didn't found any reason to go and meet a friend, find a friend. The books helped them to build up a connectivity with the people around. So this is my second observation with the students. Read more books, you'll find more friends. And also that would be a source of great feel for you that you will never feel alone in your life. So this is what the students do. We have integrated this as a part of the curriculum, and we told them that in a semester they need to read these many books to give a review about the books. So book review has become a part of curriculum development. And coming to my third very interesting observation, students start planning and preparing only when there is a reason to prepare. Only when there is a reason to read. So the only reason why they read is for the exams. And the only reason why they read is because there is a job awaiting for them and they have to appear for the aptitude test and all that. But we started generating certain programs. Look beyond this. 5 years ahead, you still have to continue your reading. Or 10 years ahead, reading takes you to the places where you have to go ahead. Without reading, nothing happens. So, interview kosam chadavakandi, exams kosam chadavakandi, because there are n number of places wherein your skills of reading will really build up the needed opportunities for you to take forward. The opportunities are appearing for exams. IELTS, CATS, GMAT, GRE, name any exam. Reading RCs are a must. Without these skills being developed progressively, the students find it very difficult. I have seen students preparing for GMAT but having very low confidence with reading comprehension passages. I have seen students preparing for IELTS but when it comes to reading, they are really put off. So reading should become an integral part of learning for every one of us. So hope that this is a wonderful platform Raghuram has created to generate this interest for reading. మనమైనా కూడా ఒక్కసారి వెనక్కి తిరిగి చూసుకుంటే రాజారాం మోహన్ రాయ్, వివేకానంద, great leaders were formed only because of reading. If they wouldn't have read books, they wouldn't have grown as great leaders. Hope that this goes a long way in creating more and more awareness for the generation today who are more with the WhatsApp and the laptops and only the Twitter messages. Only the Twitter messages and WhatsApp messages, they would build up a strength to read an article. Okay, thank you. And once again, a big round of applause to all the participants who have taken their way here and the parents who really gave them the inspiration to be here with us today.